Hello, wine enthusiasts and travelers. Welcome back. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We're about to embark on a journey through the picturesque Napa Valley aboard the iconic Napa Valley Wine Train. But before we do, we've dug up some fascinating, lesser-known facts about this beloved attraction. So, sit back, relax, and let's uncork the secrets of the Napa Valley Wine Train. History. Our first hidden gem about the Napa Valley Wine Train is its rich history. Did you know that this train has been chugging through the Napa Valley since the late 1800s? It was originally built in 1864, and some of the train cars date back to the early 1900s. It's like stepping back in time as you board these beautifully restored carriages. World War II connection. Here's a fact that might surprise you. During World War II, some of the train cars were used as mobile kitchens. They were part of the effort to feed troops stationed in California. These cars would roll right up to military bases and serve meals to the servicemen. The Napa Valley Wine Train played an unexpected role in the war effort. Restoration. The Napa Valley Wine Train is not just a train, it's a labor of love. The train went through a major restoration in the late 80s to bring it back to its former glory. But what's fascinating is that many of the carriages were rescued from various parts of the country. They were painstakingly restored, and the train started running again in 1989. Vineyard sites. As we journey through the Napa Valley, it's crucial to note that the Napa Valley Wine Train actually owns its vineyards. They have around 18 acres of vineyards, and the grapes are used to produce their own wine label, Gurgich Hills Estate. So, not only can you enjoy incredible wines on the train, but you're sipping on their very own creations. Secret dining car. The Napa Valley Wine Train has a hidden, exclusive dining car. It's called the Quattro Vino Legacy Lounge, and it's tucked away in the last carriage. This intimate space offers a curated wine and food pairing experience that is truly remarkable. It's perfect for those looking to elevate their wine train adventure. Ghost stories. Believe it or not, the Napa Valley Wine Train has a few ghost stories associated with it. Some passengers and employees have reported unusual occurrences, like ghostly apparitions and mysterious sounds. While it might not be for the faint of heart, it adds a fascinating layer of intrigue to the train's history. Celebrity visitors. Over the years, the Napa Valley Wine Train has hosted its fair share of celebrities. Many famous faces have enjoyed the scenic ride and gourmet meals on board. From Hollywood stars to renowned musicians, this train has a history of rubbing shoulders with the rich and famous. Movie appearances. Did you know that the Napa Valley Wine Train has made appearances in several movies and TV shows? Its vintage charm and stunning backdrop have made it a popular filming location. Keep an eye out when watching your favorite films. You might spot this iconic train making a cameo. Culinary excellence. While the wine is undoubtedly a highlight of the journey, the Napa Valley Wine Train takes its culinary experience seriously. Their chefs have received accolades for their gourmet meals, and they source many ingredients locally. It's not just a train ride, it's a gastronomic adventure through Napa's flavors. Art collection. Hidden within the train's carriages is a remarkable art collection. The Napa Valley Wine Train has curated a diverse range of artwork, including paintings and sculptures. It's like a moving art gallery, and passengers can enjoy these pieces as they traverse the valley. Solar-powered train. Did you know that the Napa Valley Wine Train is an eco-friendly ride? In recent years, they've taken steps to make the train more sustainable. A portion of the train's power is now generated by solar panels installed on the roof of some of the cars, making it one of the few solar-powered trains in the world. Holiday themes. During the holiday season, the Napa Valley Wine Train transforms into a festive wonderland. They decorate the train with stunning holiday-themed decor, host special events like Santa Train, and even offer holiday-themed menu items. It's a magical way to celebrate the season while sipping on fine wine. Historical reenactments. The Napa Valley Wine Train occasionally hosts historical reenactments on board. Talented actors bring to life the history of the Napa Valley and the train itself, allowing passengers to step back in time and experience the past in a unique and immersive way. Murder mystery dinners. For those who love a good mystery, the Napa Valley Wine Train offers murder mystery dinners. Passengers can become amateur sleuths while enjoying a gourmet meal. It's a fun and interactive way to spend an evening on the train, and you might just solve the whodunit before dessert. Full moon rides. Here's a hidden gem for night owls and romantics. The Napa Valley Wine Train occasionally offers full moon rides. Imagine sipping wine and enjoying a sumptuous meal under the soft glow of a full moon as the train winds its way through the Napa Valley. It's a truly enchanting experience. Vineyard interaction. Unlike most train journeys, the Napa Valley Wine Train allows passengers to interact with vineyard workers. At certain stops, you can hop off the train and chat with the people responsible for cultivating the grapes used in the wines you're enjoying on board. It's a unique opportunity to learn about the winemaking process firsthand. Rare vintage collection. The Napa Valley Wine Train boasts an impressive wine collection, including rare and hard-to-find vintages. Wine connoisseurs will be thrilled to know that some of the bottles on board date back several decades. So, not only do you get to savor contemporary wines, but you might also have the chance to taste history. Artistic napkins. Every dining experience on the Napa Valley Wine Train comes with a unique touch. They commission local artists to design custom napkins for each season. These napkins not only add a touch of artistry to your meal but also serve as collectible souvenirs for passengers to take home. Custom-built train station. The Napa Valley Wine Train has its very own custom-built train station, which was designed to resemble a traditional railway depot from the 1900s. The station provides a charming and nostalgic starting point for passengers, complete with a vintage clock tower. Secret dining car theme. Here's a fascinating fact. The Napa Valley Wine Train has a hidden dining car with a rotating theme. Depending on the season or special occasion, this dining car's decor and menu change to provide passengers with a fresh and unique experience every time they visit. Private events. Many people think of the Napa Valley Wine Train as a public attraction, but did you know they also host private events? You can book the entire train for weddings, corporate events, and other special occasions. Imagine saying, "I do," while rolling through the stunning Napa Valley scenery. Locomotive nicknames. The locomotives that power the Napa Valley Wine Train have some interesting nicknames. One of them is known as Big Al, and the other as Vinny. These names add a touch of personality to the powerful engines that keep the train moving. Train car origins. The train cars that make up the Napa Valley Wine Train come from various parts of the United States. Some of them have had previous lives, serving different railroads and purposes before joining the Napa Valley Wine Train family. Each car has its own unique history. Legendary chef consultants. When it comes to the culinary experience on board, the Napa Valley Wine Train has sought expertise from renowned chefs. Over the years, celebrity chefs like Julia Child and Jacques Pepin have been consultants, contributing to the development of the train's gourmet menus. Specialty trains. Beyond the classic Napa Valley Wine Train experience, they also offer specialty trains throughout the year. These themed rides might include events like Tequila Train, Beer Train, or Chocolate and Wine Train. It's a fantastic way to combine your love of wine with other indulgent treats. As we wrap up our exploration of hidden facts about the Napa Valley Wine Train, we've uncovered even more intriguing details about this iconic attraction. From hosting private events to locomotive nicknames, train car origins, legendary chef consultants, and specialty themed trains, the Napa Valley Wine Train is a treasure trove of surprises. To the Napa Valley Wine Train's versatility and ability to continually amaze passengers with its unique offerings, here's to discovering more hidden gems along the tracks. Cheers! Thank you for joining us today. If you've enjoyed these additional lesser-known facts about the Napa Valley Wine Train, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring, and may your journeys always lead you to delightful discoveries.